What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So as you can see, we are not at home. We are on vacation, and since we are on vacation in such a beautiful place, I said, you know what, we got the cameras, why not pull them out and show the people where we are. So once a year at least, maybe even twice, we try to make it a point to take a vacation with Tim and I where it's just the two of us and we can just kind of get away, unwind. Mostly that time is around our birthdays because we celebrate birthdays in a really big way, and then another part of the year is during our anniversary time, which is in September. So this trip is in May, and it's right before the busy summertime starts for us with the kids and all of their activities. So we try to make May a really special one because we know it's going to be a while before we can get away again, and both of our birthdays fall in the same month, so why not just do what we love. So this particular trip, we came to Saint Lucia, and we've got quite an amazing room, so I want to show it to you. So let's hop into today's video. Alright, so for this trip, we decided to come to Saint Lucia, in particular to Marigot Bay. When we got with our travel agent, shout out to Boundless Destinations, one of the things that she knows that I love is one, the Caribbean, and then two, something nice and fancy. So she sent over a couple of options, and she sent me a property called the Zoetry, which is where we landed, which I had never heard of before. So I did a little bit of research. There wasn't a lot of details about them on the social media, but I found out that they were part of the Hyatt collection, and I was like, you know what, we might as well give it a go. One of the things that's really important to Tim is that things are all inclusive, because his wife is greedy. She likes to drink when she's on vacation, and it just keeps things, even if you pay a little bit more for the vacation, it keeps things reasonable while you're traveling. So we found really great options from the list that she sent us, and we decided on, I want to say this is the master suite with the pool included. So when I chose the master suite, I had no idea that when I approached it, it was going to look like this. So to start, we do have a jacuzzi pool that is included, and I chose the pool option because I like being in the water, and I am also a very introverted traveler. So even though we're out here and it's a whole bunch of people around us, sometimes I just kind of want to retreat back to the room and just have some peace with Tim and I ain't gonna do it by myself, but I will like beg him down until he caves in to spend that time with me. So I thought it would be cool to have the jacuzzi option available to us. They do have a master suite that does not come with the jacuzzi pool, but the difference in cost between the two, it just made more sense to book it with the pool. Have we used it? Yes. And we have enjoyed it. But if you look at this suite, babe, point them that way. So there is a wraparound outside living area on this master suite that wraps around all the way from this wall. Those double doors you see all the way in the back is a private master bedroom, and it comes all the way around to in front of here. So this may not, I don't know how it's translating on camera, but this is huge. This is like the equivalent of a wraparound porch on a two-story home. You know how you go outside and the porch is outside, and you have like this wraps all the way around, and for good reason, because when you go inside, it's like a mini condo. So out here is included. You have some eating area, our views. We were able to see the pool. We were able to see out to Marigot Bay. This is the bay where all like the fancy boats and stuff dock. We got a chance to ride a couple of fancy boats. So the views are amazing, but it gives like real treehouse vibes while you're staying here, because it is up like in the mountains. The resort is built up in the mountains. Note, one thing that you need to know about staying at the Zoetry is that when you start booking rooms like this, you are on the mountainside, so you need to be prepared to either walk or book a level of room that comes with butler service. This room comes with the butler service. They turn the room 3 times a day, refill all the stuff. We'll talk about that when we get inside. But you're gonna need the butler service because you're gonna need a buggy, child. You're gonna need a buggy because this hill, babe, show them the hill. To get up to where we are, we have to brave this hill if we were gonna walk it, and that is quite steep. Or go down these stairs. And neither of which, child, is Kay willing to do on vacation. So unless you like to hike every day to get back to your room, get the butler service. It's well worth it. They will book all of your excursions. They will do your laundry. They will fill up all of your stuff. If it's in the budget, like this needs to be in the budget, okay? If you're gonna come to the Zoetry, you gotta have the budget for the Zoetry, and be sure to have the budget for the butler accommodations for the room, because you're gonna need it, if nothing else, to get the buggy to come back to your room, or your legs gonna be hurting and you're gonna lose about 10 pounds, depending on how long you stay. All right, so let's head into the living room area. And I'll take off my glasses, maybe. And then turn on some lights. So we are standing in the living, dining, kitchen area. So what we learned about the Zoetry is before it was a part of Hyatt, it was like bed and breakfasts. So they come fully stocked with a stove, refrigerator, microwave, oven, dishes, all the amenities that you would find in like a little condo. This gets refilled with drinks. If you drink it, they're gonna restock it. They come once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening before nighttime. And it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. We have not touched this area outside of drinking the drinks and eating the little snacks that they leave for you. They leave these cute little cookies. It's our birthday weekend, so when we got here, it was so cute, y'all. There were flower petals. I have some footage I'll insert it. I didn't eat the cake. I don't know why I had to eat the cake, but I didn't eat the cake. We had cake, we had champagne waiting for us. It was really cute in the bedroom set up for us. We tried to take the balloons out. I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like. But just a really nice vibe. Now this is just Tim and I, but I want to say this master suite will sleep up to 4 people because there's an extra bedroom in here should you decide that you need it, which makes things really nice if you like to travel in a group. He and I, when we go out like this, we like it to just be us, but I like these type of accommodations because we can spread out everywhere. Like, we have been in the bedroom, we've sat in the dining room to eat breakfast because there's 24-hour room service. We sit in the living room when we've come in from the pool. It just gives you comfort, right? The home comforts that you would have, so that if you're dirty and you're waiting on your significant other to take a shower or whatever, you don't have to sit on the bed. It's just really been super comfortable. So living, dining, this is the main entry. So this door, I want to say they said was for like the janitors and stuff, or the cleaning crew. This door, if we had guests, would lead to the second bedroom. It's a connecting door. It comes with a half bath. Like if you got guests, or if one person is in the bathroom and the other one needs to go, you have half bath accommodations. And then it comes with an ensuite, king bed, huge bedroom space, tons of storage, sitting area. If I don't know why you would be doing work in a place like this, but if you decided that you needed to do something, you've got a desk area, plenty of storage. Our stuff is in there. I'm not gonna show you that. More storage under the TV, and huge accommodations. Everything in this room, every room in this room has a walkout to the patio. So like if we wanted to go out of our bedroom out to the hot tub directly from here, we can. It's just a matter of opening this door and going out to the hot tub. Or if we wanted to sit out, have some tea or something out there, there's some seating there for that as well. The bathroom is nicely sized. Have a full-size toilet, bidet, shower, all the things that a bathroom would have. What I really love is kind of like the casualness of like the decor. So there's nothing like super fancy in here that you feel like you can't touch. Like it's giving real treehouse vibes. You've got real wood floors. It's giving treehouse by the beach. You know, you've got the rope detailing in the lights. Those are our balloons for my birthday. The texture in the headboards. You've got the wallpaper and this kind of jute-like texture in the headboards. Like it's simple. Nothing over the top. Just enough to make you feel like you are comfortable. You can get comfortable and you are home away from home. Like we have truly enjoyed this spot, and this ain't sponsored, guys. This is just me getting the camera because I enjoyed it, and when I enjoy it, break it down. So when I enjoy stuff, I like to share. So we've truly enjoyed it. Like the butlers have been amazing. You get on WhatsApp and you text your butlers. They can book your excursions. We went on a sunset cruise. We went on a tour around the city. Anytime we need to go, wherever we're trying to get here on the resort, they've done it. We told them some of the activities that we've enjoyed and they booked those on our behalf. We've done wine tasting and all types of stuff here on the resort. And they were just a WhatsApp text away. And it didn't matter what time of day we were texting them. They were available to us, they were responsive, and anybody that we have met here on this resort, on this island, period. I love Saint Lucians. They are a lot of fun. But anybody on this island, period, has been very accommodating. They have been very gracious, eager to help, eager to make sure that we have had an amazing trip, and we have done just that. So anybody looking at the Zoetry here in Saint Lucia, you needed a little bit more information on what the master suite with the pool looked like. I hope this was helpful for you. I did not do a full resort tour because y'all, the way the food and the alcohol been coming, like I've been enjoying myself. This was a spur of the moment. You know what? The room's clean. Let's do it to be some help for somebody else. So I hope the information that we've shared has been something that you find useful and you can help you plan for your trip. Like I said, I'm not a travel agent. My travel agent's information I'll leave down below. She's done amazing with helping us book this, and I hope you enjoy your trip to Saint Lucia. Bye now.